What's up YouTube? It's Ben, and in this video, I'm gonna tell you why cold calling for clients is officially dead. So welcome to 2022 and rest in peace cold calling. You did have a good run, but it's over. Honestly, cold calling has been dead for quite a while, for some time at this point. So this should not come as too big of a shock to you, but if you didn't know, now you know. Also, if you didn't know, we have a massive Facebook group called Recruiter Empire, link right in the description of this video, where we all talk about cold calling, cold email, all of the ways that we outreach to our clients, and we'd love to have you there. Again, link in description, join the group. So let me ask you a question. How many of you like picking up the phone from a random number that you have no idea where it's coming from? All right, so totally rhetorical question, because considering this is a YouTube video and I can't see anyone's hands raised, I'm guessing zero of you enjoy that. Well, guess what? Your prospects are just like you, and they don't like picking up random phone calls either. Listen, I've made over 100,000 cold calls in my life in previous positions, and I know exactly how this game works. Now, there are several reasons why cold calling died off a while ago and is ineffective anymore, but more importantly, if you watch this video until the end, I'm gonna explain to you the alternatives to cold calling that are 10x better and will get you 10x results.
Okay.
Number one, cold calling died because it's nothing but gatekeepers answering the phone. Now, if you don't know what a gatekeeper is, it's exactly what it sounds like. It's someone who holds the gate. So it's like a secretary or an admin, somebody in clerical, someone that picks up the phone, and they keep your distance between you and the actual decision maker. So they're not gonna take a message for you. They're gonna write it down and throw it away. They're not gonna pitch your pitch to the decision maker. They're not gonna do any of that for you. So don't count on it whatsoever.
What? That is crazy.
Gatekeepers are literally trained, yes, literally trained and told to say no and to get you off the phone as fast as possible. They are told to absolutely not take any unsolicited calls that come inbound to them and basically just get rid of you right away. Beyond all of that, even if you were to start cold calling, finding actual desk lines for decision makers is harder and harder, and the software that actually does find these numbers is super expensive, and if you're just getting started, it's way out of your budget, I guarantee it. Now let's say that you actually do have a bunch of desk lines directly to decision makers, and you spend the entire day, like 10 to 12 hours, doing nothing but cold calling all day on a Wednesday, for instance. I can virtually guarantee you that your positive reply rate on all of your phone calls is gonna be something hovering around 2% at best. Now, I can go on and on and on, but cold calling in 2022 is not where you're gonna make your money in recruiting to find clients. Now, instead of dialing for deals, we need to focus on the actual technologies that are given to us here in 2022 that people have built out so that people can actually reach people and actually get results. Naturally, cold email is exactly what I was gonna say first, because you know me so well, right? Cold email is like your best friend. You can send 6 to 8 cold emails over a period of like a month and a half to the same person, and it's not weird. It's just called follow-up. Cold email allows you in a casual way to convey your value proposition, follow up, and actually concisely drop a call to action to your recipient 6 to 8 times until they finally respond to you, which they do at around the 4th email generally on average, and you actually get results out of this. Now, because of the fact that you can send so many more cold emails per minute or per hour than you can cold calls, you're gonna get that many more deals out of it. The next technology piece that we wanna harness in 2022 and beyond, of course, is LinkedIn. And of course, I'm talking about LinkedIn automation using tools like Aspheris that can save you 70 plus hours a week using LinkedIn outreach on autopilot, because why would you want to do all that work when something can be done using an automated tool? And again, LinkedIn is not weird. Interacting and engaging with somebody on LinkedIn isn't weird because you're both there for the same purposes. If somebody has a LinkedIn profile and you connect with them on LinkedIn, it's like bumping into them at a networking event. It's not weird. Unsolicited cold calls are like telemarketing at dinner time. That's weird. Bottom line, running LinkedIn automation is probably one of the best moves you could ever make for your client and candidate acquisition. The methods that I just mentioned are alive and well today. Now, rest in peace, cold calling, but with these methods, these are gonna get you conversations and ultimately deals closed in 2022 and well beyond. Seriously, just stop thinking the phone has magical powers. It doesn't. The phone is only good for once you've actually warmed up a prospect using one of the technologies I've mentioned above. Then you could have a nice, cozy, warm phone call with that prospect, close up a contract, and get a deal and cash flow. Hey, I want to make sure that you're in our Facebook group, Recruiter Empire, link in description of this video. Smash that like button on this as well, and I will see you guys next time.